Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tourist Africa family. And today, family, as you know, guys, we're having the Sunday brunch at Jamrock today. Not today, but tomorrow on a Sunday. So I'm here today trying to do some errands. I just want to show you what I'm doing throughout the day right here in Kenya. I'm actually on a place called Kembu Road. I'm about to service my car, family, because it's, you know what I mean? It's time for it to service right now. So, actually on Kembu Road, family. And Kembu Road. And this is here actually at the Shell gas station. I normally go to service my car. So, we're at the Shell. Service the car, pick some greens, go to the market, head back at Jamrock, start bake the pudding. So that's the things that family. So we're there. As I can see, guys, that's the service shop and slogan, but my freestyle. Slogan say my freestyle and
Walkie dip. Walkie dip in we call it Kembu area, Kembu Road.
Yeah.
Service station.
Yeah, family. Shell. See, you see? I'm as of a service, so walking the guys through the process.
Service the car them, so if you don't want your car for service, if you want to buy a car, you can come right here, so.
Yeah.
50% off. Come right here. Yeah, man.
Yeah, family, your oil have to change. Right now, say?
Oil have to change.
When I change my engine oil, everything and I think so fine. Me and you, y'all me for your till your style. And the boyfriend I bring the Kyle.
Yeah, man. How's it back right now?
We are walking from, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so there we are going to change the car oil. As you know, as man, you have to change your oil too. So you have to detox and cleanse all of them things, the family. You can learn about that from veganchoicefoods.com. But right now, we're there. We are get the car oil change. Yeah. So, let's go. I try to remember the song, dog.
Yo,
can I
think he said, girl, can I change me engine oil? Stitch me. Remember, mind. Stitch me needle. No, it's a needle, right?
It says something about needle. It says something about needle, though. It says something about needle.
Hold on, then.
Yeah, family. So we are trying to get the song, yeah.
I try to remember black right.
Can I change my engine oil?
That's what I remember.
Y'all, can I change my engine oil? This building nothing so tile. Me I walk you from
half a mile.
And I'm me if you change the aisle.
No, it's not me if you till the style.
I'm me if you till the style. And your boyfriend I bring the Kyle. Me I walk you from
Papa Spain. Girl.
Eh?
Don't you remember? We'll Google it.
Yeah, family. So we're there.
Black Rider song.
Remember the Black Rider song. Because we're there and we are changing the car aisle.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So Jamaica is just fun, family. There's just always something for something in Jamaica. If you don't know, now you know. So you want to link up with us at Jamrock for the Sunday brunch. It's a Saturday and we're there. Prepare while me I change the engine oil for the car. You know what I mean? Yeah. You find it?
Yeah. To get this. Let's try remember one song.
So slogan I find it. Slogan I find it.
No.
What is it?
He was saying, girl, can I change me engine oil? But the next part is say, put me needles.
Put me needle.
Yeah. What you say?
Yeah, family. I try to catch the lyrics.
He said, pin me needle, stitch your style. I don't understand the part.
Yeah, family.
It's a long time song. Yeah, the Black Rider song bad still, I see it.
Yeah.
Everybody who know the Black Rider up a movie star, rhythm, go and listen to it and put in the comment section. Tell me what Black Rhino really said, because Rhino was the baddest thing out of Gaza back in the days.
Yeah.
And then Popcorn come take over. But out of Rhino, Ja Vinci, Popcorn, Sean Storm, Those Are Medicine, or Tommy Lee. Which one of them you guys think say are the baddest thing in Gaza? Different from Vibes Cartel. Different from Cartel. Who do you guys think? Who do you think, Kill?
Popcorn.
Popcorn, Kill, Popcorn. Why is the Popcorn?
Because you see him on a trend, brother.
Popcorn and trend.
You know, see how much international
Hits and
hits
stuff. And
thing the man do,
collaboration.
brother. The man have a different yo type of vibe. Eh.
Yeah,
Yo!
Yo! Yeah, but remember say Popcorn learned from Black Rhino, you know.
Yeah, a black Rhino style, the boy
Black
have
Rhino,
to-
you know,
because-
a Black Rhino
style.
style.
Yeah.
And they run the place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then, because when you do to Black Rhino, Gaza, shadow him,
Yeah,
kick him out, and then tell a lot of producers you don't vice him.
yeah, yeah,
Style for Black Rhino thing.
yeah.
And by stifling Black Rhino thing, Carter will put hype on Popcorn and say, yo, Popcorn and the new prefect.
Yeah,
Everybody say, yeah man, this is my prefect now.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I say, because people say Black Rhino ungrateful, but they
Yeah.
understand this, the Vibes Cartel. When they did an alliance, Vibes Cartel, they left Bounty Killer, you know,
Yeah,
and do his own thing, you know.
Yeah.
So Cartel can't say, yo, no man ungrateful around him.
yeah.
Because I see him to Bounty Killer bust
I
him.
see him thing, yeah.
And he
A
left
man-
Bounty Killer to do his own thing.
Yeah, yeah,
A man
yeah.
must want to say, yo, he want to do his own thing, so support the man them.
Yeah, yeah,
A
yeah.
Bounty Killer never beat you, cuss you, and deal with your way, so.
Yeah.
Just like when you can't
There's
left
a
alliance.
beat him.
The whole people fucking go on, man, them buckle book and bomb him house, bomb him mother house.
Yeah,
One bag of things to go on. Anybody who know about it can talk. But to me, me feel the family are the baddest thing out of Gaza.
out of Gaza.
Sparta. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, Popcorn, good. Because Popcorn have a different style. But
Yeah.
the style come from Rhino.
Yeah,
so
man,
if
yeah.
Rhino, they never did the Rhino a certain way. If they never did the Rhino a certain way, it would still be trending.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Because even now, Rhino have the potential to take over the place. But because they produce them with good rhythms,
Blackball him.
yeah. So I'm afraid him own little things, so little man run him. So Popcorn still get the big producer them, you understand? To work with. So if Rhino
yeah.
get back a piece of busted, a busted.
Yeah.
And gone my lead, and take back the lead. And that's
Yeah.
my hold on Rhino. With
Yeah.
beer black magic and all this fuckery. Beer
Yeah,
things.
all right, family. So, the man who service my car called me right now. So, let's go. Slogan. Hold on on this now. I record it. I'm going to make. What you want? Range, TX.
That's the TX.
Jump in a bit.
Next year, I must buy a range. So I'll go on. Gala, if you bring the car. Right, say, Gala, if you tilt the sail while your boyfriend.
They might come at one.
Tell you something. Eh? Jump the road. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So, I'm there with the car. I service it. As you can see, need to change the aisle. Need to change the aisle. I look bad still. Start it. So this is the AC filter. Yeah, man, we're gonna change the AC filter.
And the air filter.
Okay. Yeah, try to change both of them.
Eh?
Both of them.
Change them.
Okay, right. This one comes from this one, eh? This is for this.
This one is for here. The engine, this one is for aircon.
Okay, okay, alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Yeah, family. So we get the brand new. This is the air filter, and this one is the AC filter.
One AC filter.
And this one is the
Oil filter.
oil filter.
Yes.
All right, family. So all filter. We not filter out nothing though. We there show you how we change oil in a Kenya. This is a Shell gas station. Them also do it at Total, and them even have one where them call Auto Express. They do servicing, family. So when you come to Kenya, you have your car. You can get professional servicing to your car. You know what I mean? And I just want to let you know that, you know, it's different. You know, in Kenya, trust me, I'm impressed to see how professional the guys them are, and they know to get their job done. Not like, you know what I mean, when I was in other countries. So the brother then I put in the aisle filter. Was the aisle very dirty?
Yes.
Was it dirty?
But not it.
But not really.
Not too dirty.
Yeah, okay. So,
Somehow.
so that as you can see. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I see it now. Yeah. Yeah. So what he's saying, family, is that the aisle wasn't too bad. I'm doing 10,000 kilometers. Each time I go 10, I'll change to a new aisle filter, family. So, you know what I mean? In all life and in all nature, when you're using something, you have to maintain it. So we just there try to maintain the car by changing the oil and air filter, oil filter, and AC filter one time. And then, so as you can see, yeah, so this is like an easy way to actually change your oil. You know, sometimes you try to change your oil, you have to jack up and go underneath it and a lot of stuff. This is the easy way. You just pull it off and tighten it back. You know what I mean? So you get this service at Shell. I also want them to blow this out, blow out the dust. And I'm gonna do that to family. So brake fluid did it. No, this is not brake fluid, this is our again. It's a brake fluid. It's a coolant brake fluid. Like it still have a lot. One if me have water inside, me don't know water inside. Your family, but you know we there, we have a hybrid, and I can actually advise you guys. You're gonna come and get a car, you get a hybrid car. Fuel efficient and good family. So, and also if you need to get a car, you know, Jam Tours have the link. You know, we have our link for everything to get you settled and stay in Kenya, family. So just link up with Jam Tours. We have everything, all the information you need in one, you know what I mean, consultant fee. There's no fee, but I'm just saying, and as soon as Jam Tours establish and get big, you will have to pay a fee for this information. Is the new currency, and you have to pay, you know what I mean. So yeah, so let's go, family. I'll filter change. So we put in now the air and AC filter. Yeah, family, this is the machine where they put up under, change the oil. The machines of the oil are drained right now. Oil kind of dirty still. Change the engine oil. So we are the right and change. Alright, cool. Yeah, family, this is the oil, and it's Shell Elux Ultra. Alright, put it in, and it's synthetic oil inside, family. So let's go and full up the engine. We are changing engine oil. Yeah, I want to blow. Yeah, me too. So I use air, blow up this outside. Blow the air filter.
Sawa, nimeleta. Nimeweka kwa gari. Kwa gari hiyo, gari yako. Hii ni yangu.
Perfect. Yeah, fam, so I'm gonna fix the bottom. Don't know, so. Let's park it up, cover it up, tighten it up. Alright, family, continue watching this vlog. Let's go. Good, yeah. Yeah, family, so these guys at Shell, they show you everything they put in your car. Make sure that it's brand new and it's sealed intact, families. As you can see, why I really like to use this service station is that they show you everything. so
Yes.
guess, make a guess. You don't.
No.
And this flag is from Jamaica.
Ah.
Yeah, Jamaica, yeah man. Yeah. The old one is on the other side there.
Just that, it's just your record.
Okay, yeah.
Like keeping records for this guy.
Yeah. Because I need to, when I need to know when to service. So that's what, you know what I mean?
Also show you the way. 135.
Yeah, family. So they actually write the mileage, give you. So you can actually, you know when to come and service. After 10,000 kilometers, you come and service. You have one for 5,000 too. But I want to go to the max, so I'd have to come service all the time, family. So 10,000 kilometers, I'm service. I'm actually write it for you. As you can see, family, I'm writing it for you. When I should come back again, it's you know what I mean, 15 to that, 150.
145.
145. I'm at 135 now, yeah, 10, not 15, 10, but 10 kilo, yeah. 145. So 145, I should come back to service, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's go. Like, share, and subscribe on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know. Let me see how under the car look, family. So I'm actually under the boat. Show how under the car look. See me touch no bump, buck no rock stone. How underneath it look good, right? Okay, it look fine, right? Yeah?
The oil filter.
Oil filter, yeah. That's the oil filter, family. Yeah, family. Kenya is high tech and up to date. It's the machine that changed the oil for your family. Yeah, so when you really see no bump.
Sorry.
I really see no bump.
What?
Fuel pump. Eh?
Fuel pump.
Fuel pump.
Yeah. Okay. The fuel tank. Sorry.
So the fuel tank. Okay. Yeah, so most of the time I drive from here, I might hit some bump. But when I really see nothing, this is stuff. Yeah. Yeah, family. Nice. Alright, family. Let's go. Yeah, family. So everything is yeah, family, as you can see, them are dust out the car, blow it out, and a lot of dust is coming out, family. So, you know what I mean? Servicing is needed. Your body needs service, everything needs service. Once that you need service. Yeah, family, so now he's actually putting in the AC filter. We're gonna catch to see how them do it. Anything like that. Then you put the thing over it. AC filter. Clean air. Yeah, so that's it, and then plug back on. Perfect. Yeah. Brake pads.
When was the last time you checked?
I haven't checked it from I get this car now, but I think you can check it. Check it and tell. Yeah, check and tell. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. But I think maybe next time I'll have to change, but I think it's still fine.
Okay, for now, it's not a massive change. Eh? There's what we do called service. We don't want to service the brake pads.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So it serve you longer.
Yes?
So it can serve longer.
Yeah.
Oh, let's check if it needs servicing.
Just remove the extra that is.
That is on it. Okay, all right. Check and see. Let me know if we need, you know what I mean? We need to actually service it, family. So you see, family, when you come at these, you know what I mean, at this service shop, them actually advise you and make sure so you know the basic and know what to do, family. So I really love come to this service station. So you know, I'm suspect that this is how all of them, you know, work here. So you don't have to worry. All right, so let's go.
Kalisto, gari linatoka.
Nimeshiba sana.
Kalisto, gari linalipasiwa.
Now we are back in
Mister, I need to reverse the car.
Okay. All right, family. So they say I can reverse. Let's reverse. Okay. Total for everything.
Oil filter, air filter, cabin filter, oil. Come this side.
All right, family. So I'll give me the total for everything.
Total.
Yeah. So
You can just your name, then phone number, then record.
yeah. New again, family.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's 6,230 Kenyan shillings. You accept card?
Yes.
Card. Okay, my card.
Yeah. Weka maji ya wife.
Some water inside. Inside. Okay. This is my receipt, family. Receipt. Your family. Yeah. So you guys can get more customer. I'm telling them that you guys have a very good service, family. So
Bring in more customer.
yeah, yeah, family. So let me know, family, how much is it to service your car? You're gonna check the brake pads. Oh, okay. So so you're saying the brake pads is in good shape? Yeah, family. So I'm saying that the brake pads is in good shape. I don't need to service. All right. So that's it. That's it. All right, family. So that's it. Let me pay with my card. Family. Yeah, family. That's the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment, and let me know, family, in your country if you can pay 6,300, maybe like less than 45 US to service your car with the services that I just show you. Let me know if 45 US can do that, or whatever the equivalent is in your currency, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa, live coming from Kenya. Like, share, and comment on this video. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica. I'm out.